Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making mini donut muffins. These bite-sized cinnamon sugar-coated muffins are quick and easy to make. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And in a bowl, add a half a cup of sugar, a fourth of a cup of melted butter, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now mix this together until it's well combined. Then add a half a cup of milk. Stir this together. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 cup of flour. Now stir this together until it's just combined. Now take a mini muffin pan and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. Fill the muffin cups about halfway full. This should take about 1 level tablespoon. Now bake in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until lightly brown. Then remove them from the oven and place them onto a wire rack to cool. In a gallon-sized plastic bag, add a half a cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now close the bag and shake it to mix it together. Now take a few of the muffins while they're still warm and place them into the bag. Close the bag and shake it to cover the muffins. Then remove the muffins and repeat until you have coated all your muffins. And here they are, mini donut muffins. And these taste like your favorite cinnamon sugar cake donuts. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. A fourth of a cup of mutter. What do you think?
Yeah, that looks good.
Ooh!